All right, so we're here at Race Service. It's been a pretty action-packed couple of months. We went to Grid Life, went to Chuckwalla, got to go to Valencia. Gotten a decent amount of time in the car. I have a whole new appreciation for the car from a driving standpoint. Now it's time to test my skills at disassembly. We're going to take the whole thing apart, getting to know the car from a technical level. So we're going to be hitting it hard, and I anticipate a lot of sleepless nights, but I wouldn't have it any other way. So all the parts that came off the car, don't judge my handwriting here, we're going to label them all nice and clean. But all the parts that came off the car are right here. Interior, you have your battery box, well, you know, everything's labeled, so when it comes time to put it back together, we don't forget how it went, because we've done that before. I think we want to keep the materials super raw, but having really subtle changes in the finishing. So we're going to vapor hone all of the metal parts, the wheels, battery box, the ballast box, the wing uprights. It's similar to like a media blasting, materials blasting process, but there's a liquid element that goes in with it. Special tools are required, obviously, and special techniques. And what it does is it turns a metal part back to new, basically. Racing's all about managing heat. Speed creates heat, and then the heat creates stress on all the parts. And so if you can manage the heat, you can create more energy, therefore you can go faster. So we're going to use some of the body lines on the carbon fiber to change the different finishes. Most people probably wouldn't notice from afar, but you know, when you get up close, you really appreciate the craftsmanship that goes into making this car.